How to fix Xbox app not letting you sign in on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again and here type Xbox, click on it and now just click here for stop and then go to storage and then click clear cache, and after that just go back to Play Store and click Play Store. Now clear Play Store cache. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.